Me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is if-else statement in the Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss here on the topic that is Python if-else statement. So the Python if-else statement is a conditional statement which refer if first statement is false, then the statement second will be executed. So for an example, we are taking here. Suppose I am taking the first value that is 5, second value is 15. Suppose I am giving these two a variable. Suppose first variable is A and second one is B. So now I will apply the if conditional statement in which I am asking that if my value A is greater than the value that is B, then print that A is greater. So if this is false, then else part will be executed directly, in which else print the line that is B is greater. So now we'll see that my value that is 5, I am asking that if my A value is greater than B. So this statement, if this is true, then print that is A is greater. So this is false, like A is not greater than 15, B value is greater. So the second part will be checked and this will be executed directly. So our output is B is greater. So in this way we can use the if-else statement in the Python programming language.
So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is if-else statement. So first of all, I have taken a variable that is A and B and put it the value that is A value is 5 and B's value is 15. So after that I am putting the if statement in which I am asking that if A is less than B, then print that is A is greater than B. If my A's value is greater, then print this. Else, in else part, if this is false statement, then execute the second one in which I am asking that else print that B is greater than A. So the first statement is false because A is 5 value and B is 15. So as per the calculation, B is greater than A. So the answer is B is greater than A. So in this way we can use the if-else statement in the Python programming language.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.